Hi, I'm Will, and today we're going to be learning how to solve for end behavior. So end behavior is actually really simple depending on how you look at it, but rather than looking at it as just like some complicated graph stuff, just look at it as it's assigning a value to each of the quadrants in a graph, like this. So when we assign values to the graph, it turns out like this. The top right quadrant is going to be positive, positive. The top left quadrant is going to be positive, negative. The bottom left quadrant is going to be negative, negative. And the bottom right quadrant is going to be negative, positive. So in order to use end behavior, we need to solve a function. And in order to solve a function, you just want to pair all the like terms together, and you'll come out with the final answer for the function. So now that I have my simplified function, I can just use that to make a end behavior. So in this example, I got negative 3x and negative 1. So on the end behavior sheet, my graph is going to be going this way, completely negative, because everything about it is negative and opposite from usual. So an asymptote is made when there are two separate parts of the same function, and what it is it's just a separating barrier right into the two of them. So as you can see, here's one part of the function, here's the other part of the function, and there's the asymptote right through the middle. And then domain is just like the range of the function. The most common domain is going from negative infinity to positive infinity, because most graphs go off at both the bottom and top. But yeah, there are also other domains, like this graph's domain right here is just from negative 1 to positive 1, like XY. Yeah. So there's a brief look into how to solve for end behavior. I hope that helped you guys out. If you have any math questions, you should always remember to go check out coolmath.com. It can be really helpful when finding the asymptotes. And yeah, to conclude this video, I'm just gonna do a shout out to, East High Math Department, Miss Campbell, iPhones for making it so I can make this video, printers for printing this paper, and yeah, just like school, bro. Education's hella important, guys. Get smart. I hope you guys will use your new knowledge of how end behavior works to do great things in your future and to go really far and to be like mathematicians and scientists and stuff and make a lot of money off graphs. All right, that's it for this math video. I hope you guys have a great summer, and don't forget all that like important math and other good school stuff you learned this year.
Yeah.